Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. So very soon I will be flying home to visit my family and I want to continue making jewelry while I'm away. So I will be taking some of the tools with me and I thought I would show you what I am actually taking with me, and also I could tell you what are the regulations when taking your tools when flying by plane. If you make jewelry, you're probably thinking that there's almost nothing you can take on the plane with you, tools-wise. And that's true in the cabin luggage. So you must take hold luggage to be able to take any tools with you, and even then there might be some regulations. These restrictions will be different depending on the airline you're flying with and also the country you're traveling to or from. So always further research will be necessary. You have to check it for yourself because it might be different. I've done some research online using general lists made by flying websites, etc. And also I've contacted EasyJet, my airline that I will be flying with now, and I came up with a list of items that are allowed and items that are prohibited. But again, check with your airline before you fly somewhere, because I don't want you to be losing any tools or having trouble if you take something that are actually prohibited there. But yeah, I hope you'll enjoy watching this. So it seems, and especially with EasyJet, that pretty much what's prohibited are all gas containers, tanks, and lighters, anything like that, and it's understandable. No gas should be taken in your luggage with you when traveling. But in terms of tools, there is a bigger freedom than I thought there was, and actually I thought that most of these items cannot be taken even in the whole luggage. So as you can see, you can take blowtorch, you can take your hammers, you can take pliers, cutters, you can take pretty much everything. And the one very important thing is that your blowtorch has to be empty, like the hand torch. So I am not taking soldering tools with me, but it's good to know that with EasyJet I could actually take them. And have a look here. This is an actual screenshot with customer service representative that I talked to, and he assured me that all of these items can be taken on the flight with EasyJet. So I'm really pleased with that. And yeah, I think that actually makes sense, because if you can take machete and you can take martial arts equipment with you, then why wouldn't you be allowed to take your hammer or a little blowtorch that it's empty? So I think that might be very helpful in the future, but for now, have a look at what tools I'm actually taking with me this time. So everything I'm taking actually fits in this very handy box by Dremel. My hand rotary tool came in this little case, so I'm very happy to use it for my tools now. These are all the items that I will be taking with me. So these are some supplies, wires and silver sheet to cut out my designs. And then I will be taking with me hammer, ball peen hammer, rawhide mallet, ring mandrel with sizes on it, ruler and buffing stick, also a little Sharpie, and these are my pliers, 2 flat nose pliers, cutters and round pliers. I am taking a small steel block for hammering, and then I actually bought a bench peg that is smaller than the one I have, so it's easier to pack and take with me. Also, this is my old saw frame that I thought would be excellent to take. And these are bits for my rotary tool. And these are some extra saw blades in case I need them. Also, I will be taking my hand rotary tool with me, but obviously there's not enough space in the case, so it will be packed separately. So yeah, these are all the tools I am taking with me. I am actually quite surprised how much I was able to fit in that little case. And yeah, I will be able to make jewelry while I'm staying with my parents for the next 2 weeks. So yes, I have enjoyed watching this. I hope you learned something new. To be honest, I was convinced that you cannot take any tools with you, even in the whole luggage. So I'm very pleased to know that I can take my tools with me. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!